What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy or Sell. Hope of course you are all well. To be honest, I was eating my lunch and the guy in the Discord, John, a very good supporter of the channel, said, any thoughts on where this is going, Damien, from the charts? I said, you should be able to tell me now, John, because at the end of the day, John, you are in the Discord, so you should be an expert. We'll do a quick video because I'm assuming you are an expert, you do know, but you just want me to run over with you, so I'm more than happy to oblige. Have a look, plug stock then. If we go from roughly the highs to the lows, you're down about 80%, and that's pretty much like a lot of different stocks. Even if we go to Tesla, a stock that we cover on the channel as well, we can see from the highs to the lows, you are roughly down about 50%. And I can look at other stocks in similar vein and go, you know, there's Netflix down 80%, and that's, you know, a huge market cap, one of the FANG stocks. We could also talk about Square, sort of up and coming growth stock, down 75%. Matterport, a stock that I absolutely adore, and it's down nearly 90%. One hell of a gaping on that. Etsy down 75%.
No feeling down there now.
How is your ass?
My ass has got no latch.
Plug Power really isn't doing anything too strange in terms of performing with the market, or underperforming, shall I say, with the market. So let's just have a look here. You can see you should have been out of this trade. If you're doing a trading strategy, you would have been out of this trade. Should have been out of this trade roughly around the 11th of April. If you had exited that trade, you would have saved yourself about 45% drop. So yeah, that's one hell of a gaping, and you are below all our averages. That's not looking too good. RSI is oversold. Bit of a jump here, as we can see by the charts, not a bad rebound, and some of these stocks that are really beaten down are starting to sort of maybe show a bit of momentum. I don't want to say that this is the start of the turn because it's way too early for that, but what I will say is that the stocks that fall first are usually the first ones to come back sometimes. So these are the small caps, growth stocks. They're the ones that really hurt. They've been hurting since like October, November time. So they have had serious pounding for, you know, the best part of 6, 7, 8 months now. Maybe showing a bit of momentum. It was way too early to tell, and we will see how that pans out. But the MACD looks to be crossing over. And if I just bring up the MACD in itself, what I like is this. We haven't had this since the 6th of April, and the last run was the 17th of March. What that means is that the MACD is, as we can see, crossing over here, and there's volume with it. There's actually some sort of volume. This is on the day chart. So I'm liking that. I'm really liking that. To be honest, that is very encouraging, and I would take comfort in seeing that. If we go back here, buy symbols came on. We are now above our 9-day moving average. So starting to show a bit of momentum. Way too early to make any real solid predictions. We still need to see a good bit of growth, and we are well off getting above our 180-day moving average. You're going to need about a 60% rise to see in and around those kind of levels again. But it's not as bad as it has been, so there is the comfort that I would take there in Plug Power, and that is actually quite similar in a lot of different stocks. I'm doing a bit of TA right now, and I'm actually doing a video as well when the market bottom is going to come, things that I'm looking out for. So that video is live right now if you're interested in watching that. John, I'm hoping that has helped you. I know that you're a long holder in Plug, and I wouldn't be too panicked about Plug. I know maybe there's some negative press that came out, and the earnings haven't been particularly great in terms of the CEO and what's going on there. I don't know the full ins and outs. I can't hand on heart say that I believe Plug Power will be fine and stand the test of time, but what I do know is what they're doing in terms of the hydrogen space. They are big players in that space, and I see a demand for hydrogen. So, you know, within that, I see potential. Unfortunately, just like most stocks, it is really raw, but it should in time sort itself out, and I wouldn't be afraid of dollar cost average if you have conviction behind you in the stock at these types of levels, and try to draw your support levels and see where I should be trying to top up as this stock goes on for the months and years to come. For anybody else that's interested in a trading course like John and wants to get involved in it and start learning how to change and shape their future, the links are down below, and you get access to the Discord lifetime pass and the trading course. By the end of this month, the prices are going to a subscription package come 1st of June, and the trading course will be going up in price. You'll never see these prices again, so take advantage of the discount before it's too late. God, I beg us. And I would check out this video. This is when the bear market is going to end. This is my thoughts behind this, and bear in mind, if you excuse the pun, bear in mind, I have been talking about this bear market that's going to be coming for the last 6, 7 months, and we've got it pretty much on the money. And it's nothing to do with me, it's nothing to do with magic, it is all to do with charts. It tells us all about that. So if you're interested in more, watch this video and you'll see the kind of things that I'm talking about. Until the next one, peace.